us whether the door is wooden or metal door. This is the strapping plate. This is for metal door. This is strapping plate for wooden door. You can tell us the size of the mortise hole on your door. This is the mortise hole. The strapping plate is installed on this hole. The default size for making is 24 wide and 240 mm length. We can offer the longer size for you. Here are the direction of the handle of the door, whether it's left or right, if it's push in or pull out. And here are the back side of the door, and the back side size is from the center of the handle to the side of the door. And here are the door thickness, so we can recommend you the best